We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 7x14 tandem axle dovetail utility trailer. This does have your breakaway box, jack, coupler, and safety chains, as well as the spare tire holder in the front. Has your pressure treated wood flooring, your tie down points. This is a single axle trailer, so it does have the greaseable 3,500 pound single axle with 15-inch wheels and tires, and the black diamond plate fender. This is a dovetail for easier loading. Does have the LED drive lights, as well as a reinforced loading gate. This trailer does come with a brake on the axle. Once again, this is our 7x14 foot dovetail utility trailer. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.